Hello everyone. Today's video is going to be on Windows 10 extended updates. Microsoft is now rolling out extended updates to the rest of the world. Right now in North America we're getting them here, and they should be coming around to other countries also. So over here in search, type out check for updates. Okay, I got it here. I'm going to click on that. And over here it says Windows 10 support ends in October 2025, which is just about 10 days from now. Enroll in extended security updates to help keep your device secure for one more year, right? And it says up here, your PC does not currently meet the minimum system requirements to run Windows 11. Okay, so I have no choice but to extend for one more year here with a Microsoft account. Okay? So what we want to do is come over here and click Enroll Now. It says enroll in extended security updates to stay protected. Okay. Get extended security updates to keep your Windows 10 device safer. Okay, I'm going to click Next. And I'm going to sign in with So it says here, you're eligible to enroll in extended security updates at no extra cost, as you've already backed up your Windows settings. You're eligible to enroll in extended security updates at no extra cost. And it's valid until October 13 of 2026. And I am going to enroll now by clicking this button here. You are enrolled in extended security updates through October 13, 2026. And I'm done. Check your updates once in a while, and you should see it there. Coming soon to everybody. Anyways, let me know in the comments section if this came to you or it didn't, or if you're having trouble with it. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.